This is how you're going to add a payment method on your Etsy account. So there is actually no single way that you can add a payment method. You can just choose a payment method from the checkout section. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to Etsy.com, and then from there, you're going to log in with your account. Just click on sign in or sign up right here at the top right corner of your screen. And then once you're logged in, you're just going to select the product that you want to check out. You're just going to choose any product. And then, like, for example, I will choose this one. And then you're going to make sure to fill out all of the options right here. I'm just going to type in everything, and then we're going to click on buy now just to show you how you can choose a payment method for each product that you want. You're going to choose a shipping address, and then from here you can finally choose your payment method. Now you can choose to have your card, or you can also choose PayPal. You can also pay with Google Pay. Now, after that, you're just going to click on, or just going to make sure that you enter the name on your card number, expiration date, and then your security code as well. Now, you can use all of these cards right here, and then you can also just use whatever you want. So basically, you only have 3 payment methods that you can do. And it's it. That is how you can add a payment method, debit or credit, on Etsy account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.